You too. What is good, family? I hope you guys been blessed drinking your water over these last few weeks and definitely been getting in tune with your spirituality. But if you haven't already, definitely check out my last previous video, guys, on your spiritual path. Know if you're on your spiritual path or not. Are you in the middle of a spiritual detour? Definitely find more about that and some type of link up above, family. I'll leave it up in the video. But with that being said, family, today's topic of the day is going to be on meditation. As you guys see in the title, it's going to be on a guided meditation. Many people wonder, how do we properly meditate? If so, a lot of people want to do it, but it's something that we don't quite understand, or let alone what is the purpose for doing it? How does it benefit me? In today's video, you will definitely find out how to properly meditate, along with using the proper breathing techniques needed to have a successful meditation, family. Stay tuned. So, family, as I was saying, in today's video, we will definitely be learning how to properly meditate, family. What is the purpose of meditation, family? Why do we want to meditate, in that general sense? Or even, how do we go about it? How does it benefit me? Meditation, family, it enhances your focus and it helps you concentrate more efficiently. Whenever you meditate, it allows you to be able to funnel your thoughts in that general sense. Whenever you're having all these different types of energies coming in contact with your own, it helps you properly act on the thoughts that need to be, that need to be adhered to in that general sense. It also rejuvenates you, family. Excuse me. It is definitely a mood booster in that general sense, along with it's a natural anxiety cleanser in that sense. If you have anxiety or problems with that, meditation is definitely something that can help you out. With that being said, family, along with it also relieves negativity that may be just surrounding in your energy in that general sense, family. Meditation is definitely a proper tool in that sense if you're just feeling really heavy or just feeling like a lot of negative energy is within your vessel. Excuse me. I think it's the smoke kind of getting to me. But excuse that. Along with it, just also allow you to have better control over your mind, family. In that general sense, it allows you to have more discipline, more control, and clarity within your mind, family. So if that's definitely something that you've been having problems or trouble with, family, this is definitely something that you should apply to your life. With that being said, family, let's go ahead and get into the meditation. So, family, before you meditate, make sure that your area or your environment that you're meditating in is set up according to how you would like it. As you guys see, I have this incense right here in that general sense. This incense is specifically a meditation incense. If you guys want to know any more about that in that sense, I will definitely reveal more information about it at the end of the video. But with that being said, family, let's begin our meditation. Family, what is going on? For this part of the video, I actually decided to do a little voiceover for you guys because I thought it would actually be more easier to understand this way. But with that being said, family, for the first step, we're going to clear our mind. Clear your mind of any negativity, any negative energy, or anything that's just lingering on your mind or troubling you. And next, you want to set your intention, family. Go into your meditation with some type of intention. For this one, give an example, we're going to go in with clarity. Next, we're going to start our breath work, family. This is step 3. Step 3 involves 5 breath works, family. And in these given breaths, we're going to take 10-second inhales along with exhales, as you guys will see me demonstrate. And family, feel free if you need to fast forward the video in that general sense if you guys aren't exactly doing a meditation in this given moment. So yeah, feel free to fast forward the video in that sense if you guys need to. But with that being said, let's get back to the meditation. Once we finish our breath work, family, we then move along to our fourth step, which is just relaxing and remaining in the present moment, family. In this moment, you really want to pay attention to your external environment. You want to kind of notice and pay attention to any type of sounds that may strike your attention. Things like bell sounds or just external noises that's just coming from your environment, family. You also want to pay attention as the breath enters your body, making your stomach rise, family, along with your stomach deflating. You also want to pay attention to the breath as it exits your body, as the breath hits against your skin, maybe coming out of your nose or whatever the case may be, family. These are definitely vital things to pay attention to. So, family, after you conclude your meditation, I want you guys to pay very close attention to how you feel after the meditation. You should feel a little lighter than you was before you started your meditation. That would be one side effect. Another side effect would be you should be feeling uplifted in spirit. You should be feeling a bit more happier, satisfied in your mood after your meditation. Along with, you should also be feeling, in that general sense, the breath meditations, the activated breaths. You should be feeling that energy within you. Not to mention, you should also be able to see it, family. Whenever you have a meditation or a successful meditation in that sense, you will definitely be able to see it on your face in that sense. As you will be able to see it on your eyes will get more heavier. What meditation does in that general sense, family, is what it induces you into an intense focused state. And what this does is, to do this, it slows you down. This is why sometimes people get sleepy in that general sense whenever they perform meditations on that note, because meditation, it slows you down to a stillness. It it slows down all processes to allow more focus and concentration to be put on whatever you pay your attention to. So with that being said, family, this concludes this meditation on that general note. And like I said, family, as well as I said I was going to show you guys the incense. This incense that I'm using today is pretty much a Bohemian Nomad brand in that general sense, if you guys are familiar with it, and it's called Patchouli. And pretty much it's an incense that's specifically catered to meditations. On that note, family, so whatever you guys would like to use to set you guys' environment on that journal jazz, definitely set it or attune it to whatever you feel comfortable with during your meditations. But with that being said, family, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely hit that like button down below and hit the subscribe button if you guys haven't already, because we definitely have more content coming soon. And as I stated in the beginning of the video, family, if you haven't already, definitely find out if you are on your spiritual path, family, or if you're on the right track. Are you truly aligned spiritually? Definitely click that video at the top of the screen, family, to find out more on that. But with that being said, family, I hope you guys stay blessed, drinking your water, and it's your boy DTSL, and we are out.